Beach Ball Party, brought to you by the Tinley Park Public Library and Bedtime Math. Get moving with numbers. Kids can practice math facts while tossing a ball around. For this activity, we used a leftover beach ball from my Crazy 8's Math Club. But to make your own at home, you will need a lightweight ball, masking tape, and a permanent marker. To design your ball, cut or rip several pieces of masking tape in about 1-inch pieces. Spread the pieces of tape around all sides of the ball. Write one number on each piece of tape. The numbers on our ball range from 1 to 9, and we included 2 of each number. It's time to play! Toss the ball from one player to the next. The player who catches the ball performs a number challenge with the numbers closest to their thumbs. What numbers are your thumbs on?
3, 9.
And what number is bigger, 3 or 9?
9.
What 2 numbers are your thumbs on?
2 and 2.
And what is 2 plus 2?
4.
What is 2 minus 2?
0.
Once kids develop a sense of how numbers and quantities work, knowing math facts automatically can help them tackle harder problems with greater ease. Here are some additional number challenges to use while playing the beach ball toss game. Name the numbers, compare using greater than, less than, or equal to, add, subtract, multiply, make 2-digit numbers and double them, or make a fraction and find its equivalent. Thanks for joining our beach ball party. Be sure to check out Bedtime Math books at the Tinley Park Public Library or visit bedtimemath.org.